Hello guys, welcome back. Now you all know what is Arduino and how it can be used. I hope you can handle this board very well. If you don't know anything about this Arduino, then don't worry, you can watch my previous videos on Arduino course. Okay, now it's time to build something cool and creative with this board, which is automatic sanitizer dispenser. It is totally touchless system and very useful. So let's build it together. Stay connected. The working principle of this project is actually it uses IR sensor and water pump which are connected to Arduino Uno. And when IR sensor senses hands or some object, it will activate water pump, and from that pump sanitizer will fall on our hands. It is touchless system. These are the components which are required for this project. Arduino Uno with cable, IR sensor, DC water pump motor with tube, relay module, 9-volt battery, jar or bottle. This is the connection diagram of our project. But before connections, we will see program. This is the program. It is very easy. Here I connect IR sensor to pin number 12 of Arduino and water pump to pin number 8. In void setup, I declare sensor pin as input and water pump as output. Here I initialize sensor read pin to the value 0. And in this void loop, if sensor detects hand or object by the command digital read, then water pump will turn on, else it will turn off. Let's compile this program by this option of verify. Click on it. Start compiling. It will take some time. And it's done. Now ready to upload this program to Arduino board. Here I have connected my Arduino board. But before this, you have to check for port which is connected to the COM3 port and board which is Arduino Uno. Let's upload the program. It will take again some time. It is uploading. Yeah, it's done. Guys, refer this connection diagram to build the circuit. Also, this table consists connection with pin numbers. See carefully how I connect water pump, battery and relay module. Connect accordingly. So these are the components for building automatic sanitizer dispenser. I have already given you the list of components. Let's take a look at each component. This is Arduino Uno with cable. This is the battery, then IR sensor, then relay module. It is a 5 volt, 1 channel, some male female connectors, then water pump. I have connected this tube to this water pump, then jar, or you can take bottle also. So let's build the circuit together as per the circuit diagram. Here we go. According to circuit diagram, IR sensor is connected to pin number 12 of Arduino. So the output pin of IR sensor is connected to 12 number of Arduino. Then ground pin is connected to ground of Arduino. And VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volt of Arduino. This one. Like this, you have to connect the IR sensor to Arduino. We have to connect the water pump to Arduino pin number 8, but via this relay module. See the connection of relay module and water pump in the circuit diagram and connect accordingly. And then VCC is connected to VCC of Arduino, that is 5 volt. Then ground pin is connected to ground pin of Arduino, and then middle pin, that is in-one pin, is connected to pin number 8 of Arduino, like this. Make tube size hole to the jar cap. Then keep this water pump inside this jar, and tube is taken out from this hole of cap. Then place Arduino here and place your IR sensor here. You can stick that IR sensor also.